Hello everybody. So do you want to make the same sample that I have already shown you? If you want that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So let's start the video. So for that, first of all, you have to go to your Capcut application. And there are two options, New Project and AutoCut. You have to click New Project and select the background video that you want to put behind your green screen video. So let me select any one from these. Now you can see that the background video is on the timeline of Capcut. Now you have to put the green screen video. For that, you have to click the overlay button. Now add overlay. Now you have to select the green screen video, which is our desired video. So click add. Now you can see that the green screen video is on the timeline. So for removing the green screen background, from the bottom part you have to select the cutout option. Select cutout option. Now there is an option named chroma key. Then select color pick. Now select the desired color that you want to remove from this video. So I'm going to select the green color, as I want to remove this green color from this video. So after that, you have to click the intensity to just adjust the opacity of the green screen. Select matches. You can see that the green screen has been removed. I'm just adjusting to see which is better. That means which one is the better opacity to watch it clearly. So after that, you can adjust your shadow for better smoothness. So let me just select the intensity part more clearly. You can see that at 64 it is looking better, so I'm going to keep it at 64. Now click the tick mark button. After that, I'm going to adjust this video onto the background so that it matches the position. So for that, you have to drag the video and adjust it accordingly. So I can see that it's looking better. Now let me start the video to see how it really looks. I think the video is looking good. In this way, you can easily make any green screen video on Capcut. And now let me just adjust the length of the background video with the green screen video. Now I'm going to adjust it correctly. Now I'm going to delete the ending part. Now I think it's looking very much good and it's very much matched. So if you want to make any green screen video in Capcut, you can follow these instructions and you can do it very easily. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel to have amazing tutorial every day. See you in the next video.